Hey everybody, hope everybody is doing good. My name is Brent Pattison. I'm a substitute teacher in Anaheim Elementary and Chino Valley Unified. I live in Chino Hills and I've also grown up and was raised there too. So let me go to the next slide. So I went to Laverne as an undergrad. I started in 2012 and I got my undergrad there also. I'm with my grandmother there. That's when I first started. That was like the intro like spotlight weekend, and then that's when I finished, and that's my mom and dad also in those two pictures. So at first I was kind of like an undecided major when I started school, and then I started working at a private school, and then I started at the summer camp, and then after I worked the summer camp, they hired me to do daycare. So then I was doing daycare, and then I started helping the kids with their homework and stuff like that. And we had a homework room, and I was one of the main helpers that was teaching the kids, and that was how I really started getting into teaching. And I like that feeling of how you can help someone when somebody learns something that you teach them. It's just a really awesome feeling. And then from there, um, I worked at the school for a number of years, and then I started substitute teaching for them, and then I started to branch out and get into the school districts, and ever since then I've just really enjoyed teaching. So these are my two dogs. This was about 3 or 4 years ago. Um, they're old spoiled babies. The one on the left is Daisy, and then the one on the right is Sunny. Kind of interesting. They're half brother, half sister, half cousins. They have the same father, but the moms are sisters. So it's kind of an interesting fact, but I love them. They're really great dogs. I also really enjoy going to the mountains. Right in the background is Mammoth. I try to make it every year, and I like to go there and fish and hike, and it's just a fun time. So these are fairly like more recent pictures. I was recently the best man in my good buddy's wedding, which was fun. We went to Mammoth also, which was a lot of very fun to do. And then on the right, it was this past summer. I was deep sea fishing and um, in San Diego, which was a great experience. I'm also a big Rams fan, so the Super Bowl this year was a bit painful to watch. I'm glad that the football season's over. On my spare time, I also like to work out. I like to hike, read, listen to new music, and I also like to watch documentaries. Occasionally, I'll listen to podcasts too. So I look forward to taking this class and working with everyone, and thanks for watching my video.